In this video, we'll show you how to add page numbers to your Word document. Now, there are two types of ways you can add page numbers. You can add page numbers for the entirety of your paper, or we can adjust it to where there is no page number shown on the title page. We'll show you both methods today. Start off by clicking on the Insert tab. Here, you will then want to navigate to your page number setting. Under the setting, you get multiple options. You can add the page numbers on the top or the bottom of your page. For this example, we'll be using the top of the page setting. Then, after selecting the desired option, we see that page numbers automatically populate into our document. As you can see, we have page 2 and page 1 popping up. That's how you would get it for your whole paper. Now, if you want to remove the page number off of the title page, you'll need to follow these steps. You want to go ahead and click on Different First Page. This is under the header and footer options here. As you can see, it removes the title page number, but then it keeps the second page as page 2. Now, in order to switch this to page 1, there's a couple more steps we need to do. We're going to navigate back to the Insert tab, click on the page numbers, and then click on Format Page Numbers. Once this is pulled up, it will bring up a menu, and you're going to want to change the starting number to 0. Once the starting number is changed to 0, click enter, and then as you can see, no page number on our title page, and then our first page is now labeled correctly as number 1. And that is how you add page numbers to a Word doc. Thanks for watching.